Today, T takes on installing SmartWings rolling shades. I get started with moving the furniture just enough to squeeze in a stepladder. I ordered the rolling shades to match the window sills at 63 inches. Using a combination square, I matched the distance of the end of the sills and transferred to the top of the window. I then measured the height of the shade and marked the distance above the window frame. Each end needs to have the bracket 4 inches away from the edge. I then place the bracket at the 4-inch mark and mark the holes to drill. I repeat the process on the other side. I line up the marks with a laser level and use a hole punch to get started. I use a 7/32 drill bit and tap in the wall anchors. Next is simply to screw in each bracket. All that's left is to snap the roller shades into place and properly space the brackets at 4 inches. Next, I simply repeat the process for the second window. The last step is to pair each shade with the remote. Simply choose the channel on the remote, press and hold the button on the shade for 2 seconds until the shade jogs, and then press and hold the stop button on the remote until the shade jogs one more time. The SmartWings roller shades I have the Matter motor, and they work well with Google Home. I actually installed 2 more shades in my dining room. Let's go ahead and see the voice activation. Okay Google, open shades. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next T Takes On.